Hello! It is here! The easiest prompt of the whole lot. The day you don't have to feel overwhelmed, you can do something so ridiculously simple and feel like you have absolutely nailed it. The 12th is always our gift wrapped prompt, and all you have to do is put some gift wrap into your album. If you want to just cut it to the size of a page or a pocket and leave it at that, you are absolutely on top of it. And there are many albums in which that is exactly what I have done. If you want to do more, you can, but you definitely do not have to. Okay? Just getting that out there. There's a reason why there's a really easy prompt right about now. Because it's when it starts to hit me that, oh my goodness, there's a lot of Christmas stuff I want to do and Christmas is really soon. So take it as easy as you want. I haven't started wrapping yet, but I have bought some wrapping paper. So I'm feeling okay. I am going to do this. I'm going to punch some holes for this little tag. I'm going to use my page protector as a guide. And just hold that in place. Preferably nice and straight. There we go. And use it as a guide to punch 2 holes in the right spot. Double check that it's going to fit. Obviously the page protector fits, but put that away. Double check that this is going to fit. Yes, it's even and nice and in line with the bottom. Okay. Then I've got a couple scraps. I haven't started wrapping yet, so I just pulled a little bit off the end of the rolls, and it will surprise no one at all that I have managed to find wrapping paper with Mickey Mouse and a Santa hat. It's at the Works, if anybody else is looking for the same sort of thing here in the UK. And on this tag, I am going to put, maybe, my idea was that I would put a little vellum envelope so that I could just add pieces. And the reason I was using a tag was because the vellum envelope is really wobbly, and I think just that plus wobbly wrapping paper wasn't going to make it stable enough to have it out of a page protector, which for some reason was what I wanted to do. But here's what I'm going to do instead. I'm going to punch another set of holes, and then the tag will be inside in order to give it some stability, and that should work out. And then here is my master plan. As I wrap gifts, I'm going to take some wrapping paper and put it in there. Now I'm going to need to keep my strips to that size so that they will fit without needing holes punched in them. So let's see. Let's have this get torn over here. This roll of wrapping paper was handily bashed up a little bit in the shop, so it's fine. Okay, and then maybe I can just even fold that. Something like this. And this one looks like maybe I can just do a little fold. Okay, let's put these 2 in the pocket and see what happens. I'm going to put them on the back here. Candy canes. And Mickey. And I have a few others, and as I wrap things, I will tear pieces off and put them in the pocket too. And then I've got this side for my journaling. Add some journaling paper. About how much do I want? Cut that down to right about there. This bottom line is not straight. Really trim that. And then I'm just going to write a few quick notes about my journaling, and I'm going to add the number 12. Now, quick little aside, the 12 days of Christmas do not start the 12 days before Christmas. It's the 12 days after Christmas. But since there's a big 12 on the screen, I shall sing. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 12 drummers drumming, 11 pipers piping, 10 lords a leaping, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids a milking, 7 swans a swimming, 6 geese a laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. Journaling's going to go in there, and I'm just going to vaguely stick it to that tag so that hopefully it doesn't get caught. So it's all a little... Oh, I didn't stick it very well. Let's try again. Where did the adhesive go? Oh, it got the string instead. Okay. Okay, I think the wrapping paper needs to be stuck as well. Okay, so let's take everything out and stick it a bit. Which way was I going to run it? That way. Oh yeah, I remember now. It can go wider than the tag. Okay, let's see if that will all go inside my little envelope now. Done it just a little bit too much. And working with wrapping paper is so different than working with normal scrapbooking paper because everything tears. So whenever you try and take something off, once it's got adhesive on, it's just going to rip. But it's not too much of a worry because you're never going to take that out and see. So it's okay. That's going to go on there. Now it would be nice to dress it up a little bit. So let's try a little thin washi here. I'm not going to add anything to the back because remember that's going to have lots of scraps of different paper. So I want the whole envelope to be visible. I'm just going to do that to the bottom, and it's done. Nothing else fancy. If you've got more time and you are not feeling chaos at all, then go ahead and do as much about gift wrapping as you want. But for now, all you have to do is put a little swatch of wrapping paper somewhere in your album, and you are absolutely on track. Have a great day. Do not be overwhelmed. There is still lots of time to enjoy all of the magic of Christmas. Take a deep breath. Have a wonderful day. See you later. Bye-bye.